Welcome to a journey inside one of the most extravagant and legendary homes in the United States, the Manor in Holmby Hills, Los Angeles. Also known as Spelling Manor, this palatial estate isn't just a mansion, it's a real-life castle nestled in the heart of Billionaire's Row, where wealth, glamour, and exclusivity collide. Built to impress and designed to awe, the manor is not just about space, it's about stature, legacy, and luxury on a scale that defies imagination. Once the home of television producer Aaron Spelling, the mastermind behind hits like Beverly Hills, 90,210 and Dynasty, the manor has become an iconic part of LA's architectural and celebrity history. But what truly sets this home apart? Is it the grand ballrooms? The private beauty salon? Or the fact that it's larger than the White House? In this video, we'll peel back the gilded layers of this mega mansion to reveal a world of opulence unlike any other. From the origin story of how the manor came to be, to its current-day status among billionaires and elite buyers, this is a deep dive into the mansion that continues to break real estate records and capture the world's attention. So buckle up as we take you on a tour of this 56,500 square foot masterpiece, a symbol of fame, fortune, and fantasy. Whether you're a fan of luxury architecture or just curious about how the ultra-wealthy live, the manor is a spectacle that you won't want to miss. Let's begin with how this legendary estate first came to life. In the late 1980s, television titan Aaron Spelling and his wife Candy Spelling set out to build a dream home that would reflect their massive success and larger-than-life lifestyle. The site? A prime 4.7-acre plot in Holmby Hills, part of LA's Platinum Triangle, alongside Beverly Hills and Bel-Air. Their goal wasn't just luxury. It was legend. Construction began in 1988, and when it was completed in 1991, the manor became the largest home in Los Angeles County, measuring approximately 56,500 square feet. The Spellings spent an estimated $12 million building it, a fortune then, but a fraction of what the estate would later be worth. Designed in a French chateau style, the manor stood out with its limestone facade, slate roofing, and towering symmetrical structure. It wasn't just a house, it was a Hollywood palace, built for entertainment, excess, and elegance. Aaron Spelling famously included rooms tailored to his wife's tastes, like a gift wrapping room, doll museum, and beauty salon. There was even a room just for storing silverware. The home's vision was clear, a private world where nothing was out of reach. It reflected not only wealth but the Spellings' vision of grandeur. The manor quickly became a symbol of 90s celebrity wealth, a monument to the golden era of TV royalty. But that was only the beginning. The manor isn't just big. It's massive, so large that it's often mistaken for a hotel or government building. With over 123 rooms, it dwarfs most other luxury homes. The structure includes 27 bathrooms, 14 bedrooms, and countless specialty rooms, each designed with meticulous attention to both function and fantasy. A walk through the manor is like exploring an entire universe under one roof. There's a 2-lane bowling alley, wine cellar, sports court, screening room, library, and even a barbershop. The grand staircase alone is said to have taken months to build, carved by hand, and adorned with imported materials. On the upper level, the master suite spans more than 5,000 square feet, larger than most entire homes. It includes his and her baths, dressing rooms, and private balconies overlooking the lush grounds. Meanwhile, the formal living and dining areas are built to host A-listers, charity galas, and business titans, with ceilings stretching over 30 feet high. Despite its size, the manor is surprisingly private, with clever layouts, hidden corridors, and high hedges shielding it from paparazzi and aerial views. It's a house built for both visibility and secrecy, the perfect combo for celebrity life. Step outside, and the manor continues to stun. The estate covers nearly 5 acres, a rare find in central Los Angeles. Manicured lawns, rose gardens, and limestone pathways create a tranquil, romantic atmosphere, almost like stepping into a royal estate in Europe. There's a resort-style swimming pool, complete with fountains, cabanas, and a spa area, perfect for day-long lounging. The tennis court, located on its own terrace, is surrounded by high hedges and trees for ultimate privacy. A circular motor court sits at the front, lined with towering palms and enough parking for 100-plus vehicles. The rear garden is an oasis, complete with a reflecting pond, multiple patios, and dining spaces ideal for grand entertaining. Every square inch of land is curated, giving guests the feeling of walking through a lush private park. Beyond its beauty, the grounds are designed for security and serenity. State-of-the-art surveillance, private gates, and multiple guard stations ensure complete control. In a city where land is everything, the Manor's expansive grounds make it a true unicorn among mansions. Beyond the Spellings, the Manor has had an intriguing ownership journey. After Aaron Spelling's death in 2006, Candy Spelling listed the estate in 2009 for a jaw-dropping $150 million, the most expensive home in America at that time. It eventually sold in 2011 to Petra Ecclestone, daughter of Formula One mogul Bernie Ecclestone, for $85 million, still among the biggest sales in LA history. Petra renovated much of the interior, updating the decor while preserving the mansion's grandeur. Her time at the Manor included hosting lavish parties and becoming a fixture of LA's elite social scene. Over time, the Manor has also attracted interest from celebrities, tech billionaires, and royalty. Rumors swirled about Jay-Z, Beyoncé, and even Saudi royalty touring the property. In 2019, the Manor returned to the market and later sold for $120 million, becoming one of the most expensive homes ever sold in California. Through each chapter, the Manor has remained more than just a home. It's a status symbol, a legend whispered about among Hollywood elites and billionaires. It's a place where money meets myth. Despite its classical appearance, the Manor has kept up with the times. Petra Ecclestone's renovations brought in a modern European flair, replacing traditional heavy interiors with sleek marble, neutral tones, and contemporary art. High-tech upgrades were also added, including smart home integration, automated lighting, climate control, and ultra-secure panic rooms. There's also a beauty spa, massage rooms, and a full fitness center hidden within the estate. One of the most fascinating aspects? The secret tunnels and passageways. Some lead to guest quarters, others to panic rooms or hidden service areas, offering privacy for staff and residents alike. The kitchen, once a classical chef's domain, has been redone with restaurant-grade appliances and dual islands for large-scale catering. Every element was redesigned for a new era of luxury, blending old-world size with new-world convenience. From voice-activated curtains to bulletproof glass and private elevators. The Manor proves that even a house from the 90s can feel cutting-edge. It's not just a relic of past wealth, it's a continually evolving luxury landmark. And there you have it, a full tour through the Manor, a house that defines ultra-luxury real estate. From its massive size to its unmatched history, this estate isn't just a building, it's a cultural icon, a status symbol, and a living piece of Hollywood lore. In a city where homes come and go, the Manor stands still, proud, towering, and impossible to ignore. It represents the dreams of TV royalty, the spending power of international billionaires, and the fantasy of life at the very top. As we continue to see luxury homes rise around the globe, the Manor remains a timeless benchmark, reminding us of what's possible when vision, wealth, and imagination come together. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of America's most iconic megamansions, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible homes, hidden estates, and billionaire lifestyles. Until next time, this is your guide to the world's most luxurious living. Signing off from the heart of Billionaire's Row.